Where does cement go?
Right down there.
Yeah.
Where I get the rolls.
He's inside. Let's go see.
Okay.
There goes Skip.
Hey, Uncle Dad. Uncle Dad can't hear me. Yeah, a biggest. It would come like a biggest, like a monster truck.
Like a monster truck.
Yeah. It was those hooks.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
You follow Skip. Skip.
It's great.
Skip.
Hey, Uncle Gip, you like one of these trucks?
Look at him. He just goes straight up.
You like to pick one out? Hey, you like red?
Be careful there.
You like red
Yeah.
and blue?
Yep.
You like every truck? You work everywhere? You work everywhere?
I fuel all of them.
Do it again. Skip, can you do it?
No.
No. Did it scare you? Did it scare you? Skip, why don't you pull it? Pull that. Pull that wire. Pull the wire up there. Zack, scare you? Is that better? Okay, that's enough, Zack. That's enough.
Rocket duck.
Look at you. You're a big rig driver.
Yeah. Where's the daddy? Your turn. You want to do that? Want to do that?
Sure.
Pull that cord. Whoop. Gone.